gather here today to celebrate the wedding of Brandon and Alexis.
Since the first date that we went on, I knew our relationship would be something special. To this day, I still love seeing your smile every single day, and I want to continue to keep that smile on your face and make you happy. You are my best friend, my confidant, and my soulmate, and I will love you forever. I vow to love and cherish you through any ups and downs. I promise to be at your side when you need me, and I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone.
Everything you do is so sweet. It feels like I'm in a sort of cliched romance novel. Being with you feels like I'm home. So Brandon, I promise to cherish these types of moments together, big or small. I promise to be your biggest supporter, the one who's always cheering for you. I promise to be your home, the place you find comfort and peace even when life gets too hard. Promise to love you each and every day of our life.
Watching them together, I can see how perfectly they fit. They balance each other, support each other, and bring out the best in one another. So here's to your next chapter, to late night talks, quiet mornings, to big dreams, and to the kind of love that keeps getting better with time. Congratulations, you guys.
From teenagers to adults and to this newfound love, and to watch you guys grow into the soulmates that have fallen in love together. I hope your journey and love for each other grows strongly each and every day as you do life together. Cannot wait to see what the future holds for both of you, and I'm very proud.
I want to say congratulations to both the bride and groom. I'm very proud of both of you. You guys worked very hard for this, and you deserve this, and I hope the best for you. But I appreciate all of you being here and helping all, and thank you all for being here to share this moment with her.
That Brandon and Alexis share, and we're excited for whatever the next chapter brings, but a beautiful couple, and I love you both very, very much. Thank you all again.
The power vested in me by the state of Washington, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
She's been in the family for a long time. We love her very much. We're proud of our son, Brandon, and I hope them the most happiness and love in all the world. I think you're a wonderful couple. I love you both.